My first pick and place was a $150 3D printer from eBay that didn't even have a heated bed. The solder paste was sticky enough to break the suction on the nozzle whenever you placed them down. So it didn't even have suction changes.
We have a lot of thrift stores. Our biggest one always has the weirdest, slightly religious art. So I love taking art and just taking those types of paintings and just kind of destroying them.
Nathan Seidel, co-founder of Spark Fun, he discusses the pros and cons of open source. Yeah. And it turns out by the end of it, there's no real cons.
I would say that especially for things that are geared towards learning and are platforms that you can build other things upon, open source is definitely the way to go.
Most glazes will just give you cancer. Not like state of California cancer, like everywhere around.